And El Paso County is one of the places Governor Polis warned is seeing a new outbreak. News 5's Spencer Humphrey breaking down the details for us tonight and how businesses are paying close attention to these numbers.
The governor and state health officials are warning it is still vitally important to continue to mask up and social distance in the wake of that spike. They say if the numbers continue to rise, they may have to slow down or stop the reopening process. For restaurant owners like RUSS WARE, the shutdown brought on by COVID-19 was a setback.
You know, the challenges of the pandemic are significant for all of us in the restaurant industry.
For his restaurant, the Wild Goose Meeting House,
for us, it was, I think, in some ways a particular challenge because our entire ethos, our value is so much about gathering people, so much about community, so much about connection.
Which is why he was happy when case numbers dropped enough to allow him to open at a reduced capacity. And while Colorado has been on a downward trajectory,
now we are starting to see, new outbreaks in different parts of the state, in the San Luis Valley, El Paso County.
State officials announcing numbers in El Paso County could be headed in the wrong direction.
Last week, our numbers were higher than the previous week, and so because of this, the time is really critical.
All of our gains could be reversed very quickly if we're not careful.
They say young people are the major contributors to this uptick.
Teens and young adults that have been gathering together for parties and in other situations.
Governor Polis warns the next phase of reopening might not happen in certain counties until they're ready.
It wouldn't occur after a spike or outbreak occurred in a particular county.
For WARE,
we have always been known as a place that's about meet at the Goose. Let's have this discussion at the Goose.
His livelihood depends on people being able to go out. He'd hate to have to take a step back because of a spike, but he's prepared no matter the cost.
And if that's what we need to do, then that's what we're going to do. We are much more committed to the idea of getting through this and being safe than we are as a particular bottom line or a monetary value or even keeping our doors open.
The governor also warned people to be particularly mindful during their 4th of July festivities. He said no large gatherings and only celebrate with your family. Always watching out for you. Spencer Humphrey, News 5.
Spencer, thank you.